Ever wish you could decode anyone's actions? Let's dive into the secrets of human nature. Robert Greene reveals we all have predictable patterns. From emotions to manipulation, it's all there if you know where to look. Start by observing. Watch for micro-expressions. A smile that fades too quickly? It's a sign. Greene says empathy is your superpower. Reflect emotions back, and you'll win trust in seconds. But beware of manipulators. They mirror you to gain your trust. Spot this, and you'll stay one step ahead. Want more secrets to decode anyone? Hit follow for the next law of human nature.